Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that horsepower and watts are units of measure of power. They are directly proportional, and we're told that 5 horsepower is equal to 3,730 watts. Based off of this, how much power in watts is equal to 2 horsepower? So we have 2 horsepower, which I'll just write as HP, and we have to multiply this by a fraction, which will have HP, horsepower, in the denominator, so that way these cancel out. And so if we're told that 5 horsepower, so 5 HP, is equal to 3,730 watts, which I'll write as W, these are equal, right? We're told they're equal. So this is sort of similar to doing 2 times 4 over 4, right? 4 is equal to 4. So if you multiply 2 by this, well, this fraction is just equal to 1, so this is 2 times 1 is equal to 2. But the reason we're doing it is because we're going to multiply the numerators and keep the denominators separate. So like this, 2 times 4 is 8 over 4. So it's the same value, but now we've changed the denominator. And what this does is we take horsepower out of the equation and just gives us 2 times 3,730 watts over 5. And now this is just something you can plug into your calculator. No need to do it out by hand when you don't have to. So this will come out to 1,492 watts. This is the power in watts, which is equal to 2 horsepower, and 1,492 is going to be your final answer. Don't write the units when you're entering it into your test. 1,492 is your answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.